Well, thought I'd make a quick video on this one. Before I get stuck in, you can get the official 10 grand extra price of the included dust. This is my 1993 EB Fairmont with 63 or 68,000 original Ks on the body. Bought it for $100 about 8 years ago. Was missing its original engine when I got it. So yeah, I've done a few things on it. I lowered it, put it on mags, did the clear indicators, got a XR6 twin light nose to go on it, Tickford Wade cam engine, mock extractors, broadband. I did start putting an AU K-frame in it because I was going to do this one as the turbo, and then I bought the turbo, so I'm putting E-Series K-frame back in it. It's been converted to manual, 345 diff. Reason it went in the shed was it had clear peel on the roof and boot, and I decided to get stuck in and prime it. And then yeah, the weather changed, I stuck it in the shed, and 5 years later, 6 years later, I'm finally pulling it out to get some shit done on it. Got the Tickford lip on it. Full Fairmont interior. You can tell it's had only that many Ks on it too, because you sit in the seat and it's still firm as. And then this is its cluster. So what is it, 670065 I think it says. Focus, there we go. And I've done all the checking, and yeah, that is its proper original cluster, so I know that those Ks are original. But yeah, it's time to give this thing a bath and give it some love and get stuck in. Have a good one.